everyone, this is Mani. My channel name is Europe Tamilan. Please share, subscribe, like, support பண்ணுங்க please. So in this video what we will see, I'm in Barcelona. This is my first day, first time in Spain and Barcelona. I want to show you around about Barcelona. So this is near metro station, popular station and popular walking street. Lots of birds are flying here, lots of tourists are here, and so many beautiful buildings also here. So let's go and walk around Barcelona city. Welcome to Barcelona, first day in Barcelona, Spain. This is the main city center. Lots of tourists, lots of people. Very beautiful buildings. Really, so many people. I feel like I'm in Delhi or Chennai, very crowded place. First day in Barcelona. So far I like it. Let's see what will be. Also, let's walk around Barcelona city.
Do you speak English? No. It's only pig. Yeah?
Sí.
Only. No cow.
No.
Just pig.
Only pig.
Okay. Thank you. Buenas noches.
Gracias.
This is hospital which is in Spain, Barcelona. Still is working. It's Asian time building, but it's still so pretty. It's still good. It's still working. So this is the city, very old architecture. Fully like this, all over the city, Barcelona. Wherever you go, you can see lots of streets, lots of buildings. The man is standing like statue, but it's real man. He's standing like really statue, not moving. On the street, all people are running, walking, moving, but this man is standing without any movement. Wherever you go, you can see such buildings all over the Barcelona. Just amazing.
¡Dale, Juanma! El 12, al 12. Eso. ¡Dale, Juanma!
So guys, this is the street where people are walking and shopping. Lots of shops around here, cafe and restaurants, and also shopping area like Delhi Bazaar and Chennai T Nagar, something like this. But so many people. Really, only heads are seen. Lots of people. So here everyone is saying be careful with your things, phone and money, purse, because robbers. It's common everywhere in crowded place and tourist place. Yeah. It's like really India, so many bikes. This is the bus for Barcelona tour. So people are collecting here just for tour in Barcelona. So you can use this bus. So you will be walk around all over the Barcelona. Near a metro station, here is one beautiful pond. Really lots of beautiful buildings. Architecture is very nice here. Really very crowd. So many people. Actually we are in Barcelona on October, but it's not season they said. But here I can see so many people. I cannot say it's not season. It's like fully busy season.